Hey everyone, this is Manmohit from M&M PTE NAATI. Guys, I'm very happy and excited today to have Ankita with us, who has recently cleared her PTE Core exam with the scores of 90 each in listening and speaking, 78 in reading, and 80 in writing. Ankita, that's a massive, massive score. It's not an easy feat to achieve. Huge congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Now, Ankita, we have got obviously few viewers who are watching this video in the hopes of learning few things from you and seeing about your journey of how you were able to achieve that massive score. So, what would you say? Like, how was your journey for this PT Core exam? Um, why did you choose, PT Core over any other English exam out there? And then once you knew that PT Core is the right one for you, how was your journey with this? What did you do to achieve this score in your PTE core?
Okay, yes. I have given IELTS quite a few times. I would say four times earlier. And when I did check the format of different exams, like which are available in option of IELTS, I found the format of PTE core very much easy. So I decided to go for it. And then I also like searched some videos of explanation about the format of PTE core, and then I found the video of M&M PTE NAATI on YouTube. So it was very simple, and I was like very much confident with the way it was explained, the entire format, and also the template was discussed in that video. So I decided to contact M&M PTE NAATI, and then I started the class, 1 month class, and attended all the session. Post 1 month session, like during 1 month session also I was practicing on weekend, and I was taking feedback from you both of you, and based on those feedback I started practicing over weekends for 3 months, and then I took the test on 10th of September, that is yesterday, and this was the score. So I would say the dedicated practice helped me a lot for gaining this score.
Perfect. Now, absolutely. And you could not have said it any better. It's all about having two things basically, which is the practice that you put in, plus at the same time having someone who can check your work and give you proper
Yes.
guidance and tell you that, okay, these are the mistakes you're making and this is the correct way of doing it. And once that combination of these two happens, the magic happens, which has happened with us. And that's wonderful. Um, Ankita, now you did say that you have given IELTS exam before a few times and now you chose PT exam. What would you say was the if I was just giving you, let's say, to choose one thing, what was the biggest difference in these two exams for you? Because you have given IELTS and PT, like both. How is PT you consider slightly better as compared to IELTS for you?
So, for IELTS, I would say it is exhaustive.
Hmm.
I find it very exhaustive. Like we need to if you are going for paper-based exam, for example, you need to sit for 2.5 hours for listening, reading, and writing, and then there is another interview for speaking. So there is some hesitation while speaking as well when you are talking to someone else, right? So those I did better in this PT core exam, and those hesitation was not there, and also the question types and the format, as I said, was very easy in PT core.
Okay, perfect. Absolutely. And because it's a computer-based exam as well, the checking is being done by a computer versus a real examiner checking your exams in IELTS. So this is more fair, you can say, right? Like as compared to the IELTS.
Yes,
Yep,
yes,
absolutely. Perfect.
yes.
Now, Ankita, just one more thing for all the viewers out there. So your journey has been great and motivating for everyone, I'm sure. Any advice that you would like to give these students who are first in a dilemma, like whether they should go for IELTS or PT, or let's say they have decided on PT core, but they are also wanting to be where you are. They're also wanting to achieve that massive score that you have. What advice would you want to give to those students who want to be on the same page?
So I would advise like select your the mentor or the guidance, like who from who you are taking the guidance, and practice more and more. Right. So that is the main motto. Like you should practice more and more, and then only you can achieve the score. So like sometimes it happens like many people like book the test and then they don't find the time to practice. But I took 3 months, as I said, as I was practicing on weekend. I could took 3 months, and then I decided to took the date for this. So practice is the way key,
Absolutely.
I
That
would
is
say.
such a great point that you have said, that people just book the exam just for the sake of booking and then end up giving exam multiple times, but they don't realize that how much money has been spent over that course of the period. Like each exam is not even cheap.
Yes.
Like it's, if I talk about Australian dollars, that's like 420 Australian dollars just for giving one exam. And this is one thing that I do recommend to every student who's listening out there, that it's not just about giving multiple attempts and seeing which one you would be able to get your scores, but it's about sitting, making a plan, following that study plan, getting the right guidance, and putting in that hard work and practice so that you do not have to give those multiple attempts. You can actually get that done in the very first go. And that's what Ankita has also done. Instead of giving exam multiple times, like one exam every month, she took that 3 month period, practiced hard, took feedback, guidance, and followed that, implemented that, and here she is with her desired score. Ankita, thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate that. And I'm sure everyone who's listening out there would have taken at least a couple of pointers from this as to, if Ankita can do it, if we can do it, if other students who are doing it on a daily basis can do it, so can you. All you need to do is follow the right guidance, follow the right plan, and you will definitely be able to achieve it. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments down below. And if you need any help and support with your PTE exam, you know where to find us. Message us on Instagram or Facebook. Links are in the description, or just search for M&M PTE NAATI. Message us and we'll make sure you can get your desired score in the very first go. God bless you and have a great day.